Hi students, today we can study exercise 4.1 question number 5. Then question number 1, 2, 3, 4 we are already done. Now we can see question number 5. In question number 5, total 4 questions is there. First, Roman number 1. What is question? Evaluate the determinants. In here, one determinant given. We have to find out this exact value. After doing one determinant, you will know what number you will get. Okay, we have to find out that number. In here, we can, if you are use second row, 0, 0. This two part, no need to do. Then remaining what? Only minus 1 only is there, isn't it? That means only one step we can complete this problem. Expanding along second row. Expanding along second row. Then we can write determinant 3 minus 1 equal to, then using by 0, this 2 0 no need to do, only we will using by minus 1 we will do. Okay, check it, sign in here, plus minus plus minus plus minus, that means first write this minus, then minus 1 into, just leave it, third column and second row, just leave it, then remaining 3 into minus 5, then common minus 3 into minus 5, then 3 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1 we can write, 3 into minus 5 minus 15, then minus plus 3 equal to, this one no need to write, minus 15 plus 3. Answer will be minus 12. Now we can see Roman number 2. In here, no 0, isn't it? That means any row or any column we can use. Then we can use first row. Expanding along with first row, then take 3 into, leave it this 2, first column, first row, then 1 into 1, cross multiple, 1 into 1, minus commonly 2. Then next minus, starting plus, then minus, isn't it? Then next number is minus 4. If you use minus 4, that is second column on first row, leave it. Then remaining, just to leave it. Then remaining 1 into 1, 1 into 1, minus 2. Then here plus, then minus, then plus. Plus 5 into, just to leave it. You leave this 2, then what is remaining? 1, this 2 cross, 1 into 3, minus 2 into 1. Then 3 into 1 into 1, 1. Then minus into minus plus. Then 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Minus plus we can write 4 into, in here, minus into minus plus 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 1, 1. 1 plus 4, 5. then 5 into, in here also 1, 2, 3, 3, 2 into 1, 2, then 3 minus 2, 1, equal to what you will get? 3 into 7, 21, plus 4 into 5, 20, plus 5 into 1, 5, equal to 21 plus 20, 41 plus 5, 46. Our answer is 46. Roman number 3, 0, 1, 2, minus 1, 0, minus 3, then minus 2, 3, 0. Which row we will use? If you are use first row, 1, 0 is there. If you are use second row, 1, 0 is there. If you use third row, that time also 1, 0 is there. Any row we can use, same only, isn't it? That means we can do expanding along with first row. First row. And here any row you can use, any columns also we can use, okay. Then determinant 0, 1, 2, minus 1, 0, minus 3 equal to this using by 0, no need to do that, automatically that will be 0, okay. Then using here 1 means in here plus, this will be minus, this will be plus, then minus 1 into, leave it, second column, first row, then remaining minus 1 into 0, minus 1 into 0, then common minus this, minus 2 into minus 3, minus 2 into minus 3. Then use this one, 2 plus 2. If you are use plus 2 means third column, first row, leave it, then remaining minus 1 into 3, and common minus, minus 2 into 0, minus 2 into 0, equal to minus 1, minus 1 to 0, 0, then remaining minus minus minus, 3 minus means minus you will get, then 2 into 3, 6, plus 2 into 2 into 0, that will be 0, then remaining minus 1 into 3, that will be minus 3. Minus 1 into minus 6 is 6, then plus into minus, minus 2 into 3, 6, equal to 0. Our answer is 0. See Roman number 4. In here also one determinant given. Check it. Now we can see Roman number 4. In here one determinant given. 2 minus 1 minus 2. If you are using first row, you have to do 3 times. If you use second row, that is 2 times, because 0 is no need to do. Then if you are use third row, that time also we can do 2 times only, enough. Now we can use second row. Expanding along with second row. Second determinant 2 minus 1 minus 2, 0, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 5, 0, equal to second row means, check it first side, starting this is plus, then minus, this will be plus, then in here minus, this will be plus, this will be minus, like that, okay. Then second row means using by 0, no need to do, then plus 2, we can write 2 into this 2. If you are using second column, second row, leave it, okay, this will just leave it. What is remaining? 2 into 0, 2 into 0 minus, then 3 into minus 2, 3 into minus 2. And then next minus 1 minus is there, first write that minus, then minus 1. Then if you use second row, third column, leave it. We are using minus 1, isn't it? That means third column and second row, leave it. Then 2 into minus 5, 2 into minus 5, then minus 3 into minus 1, 3 into minus 1, equal to 2 into 0, 0, isn't it? Then into 3 into minus minus plus 2, 3 into 2, 6. Minus minus plus 2 into minus 5, 1 into, what will get in here, 2 into minus 5, minus 10, and here minus into minus plus 3 into 1, 3. Minus 10 plus 3, minus 7, equal to 26, 12, 12 minus 7, 5. Now we can see question number 6. If A equal to matrix 1, 1 minus 2, 2, 1 minus 3, 5, 4 minus 9, find determinant of A. In here one matrix only they are given, we have to find out determinant value. Then we can write determinant of A equal to, if you are giving in here determinant means right side also you have to give determinant of 1, 1 minus 2, 2, 1 minus 3, 5, 4 minus 9. For determinant only 2 lines. For matrix square bracket. Okay, that's the difference. Then now in this matrix no zeros, isn't it? That means we can use any row for expanding, otherwise any column also we can use. First we can use in here, okay, first row expanding along with first row, equal to, then 1 into, leave it first column, first row, then remaining 1 into minus 9, 1 into minus 9, then common minus, then 4 into minus 3, 4 into minus 3. Finish. Then in here plus means next one, that will be minus, isn't it? Minus 1 into second column, first row. Just to leave it. Then what is the remaining? 2 and 2 minus 9, 2 into minus 9, minus 5 into minus 3, 5 into minus 3. Then minus plus, plus minus plus will come, plus minus 2. Okay, plus into minus 2. Leave it, third column and first row. Then what is remaining? 2 and 4. You can multiple 2 into 4. 2 into 4. Then minus 5 into 1. Equal to 1 into, inside the bracket you can do directly. In here 1 into minus 9. Minus 9, isn't it? Then minus minus plus 4 into 3, 12. 12 minus 9, you will get 3. Then minus 1 into, in here also you can do 2 into minus 9, minus 18, minus plus, then 5 into 3, 15. Minus 18 plus 15, that will be minus 3. Then in here plus minus we can write minus 2 into, do it this part, 2 into 4, 8, 5 into 1, 5. 8 minus 5 is 3, equal to 1 to 3, 3, minus plus, then 1 into 3, 3, minus 2 into 3, minus 6, equal to, what you will get? 3 plus 3, 6 minus 6, 0. Our answer is 0. Nothing, common method we are using. If you use second row also, you will get same answer. If you use first column, second column, third column, anything you can use, but always you will get answer 0. Now we can see question number 7. In question number 7, 2 questions is there, Roman number 1 and 2. I have already written in here. Then find value of x. We have to find out value of x. Then we can see first Roman number 1. Expand both sides, left side and right side. It's like 2 into 1, we can write 2 minus this 2. 5 into 4, 20. Equal to right side also. 2x into x, 2x square we can write. Then 6 into 4 minus 24. This minus common. 2 minus 20 is minus 18. This minus 24 bring to left side, that will be plus 24 equal to 2x square. minus 18 plus 24. You'll get 6, isn't it? 2 bring to left side, divide by 2, remaining x square. Then 6 divided by 2 is 3. The square bring to left side, that will be square root equal to x. When you take square root of any number, always you have to use plus or minus. Plus or minus root 3 equal to x. That is our answer. Then same like question number 2, Roman number 2 also. 2 into 5, we can write 10 minus this 4 into 3, 12 equal to this x into 5, 5x minus 2x into 3, 6x. What you will get in here? You will get minus 2, isn't it? Then 5x minus 6x, you will get minus x. Minus minus cancel. X value is 2. In Roman number 1 answer, plus or minus root 3. Roman number 2 answer, 2. This is our last question, question number 8. On multiple choice question. In here also we have to find out value of x. Then let's expand. X into x. X square minus this 2. 18 into 2, 36. Equal to right side. 6 into 6, 36 minus 18 into 2, 36. Just to cancel. 36 minus 36, that will be 0, isn't it? Then remaining x square equal to minus 36, bring to right side, that will be plus 36. X equal to root 36. Square bring to right side. Then square root of 36 will be plus or minus 6. When you take square root, you have to use plus or minus. Then our answer is D, isn't it?